Welcome to the official Windows 7 channel, and today we will talk about a cool feature of Windows 7. If you have problems with your computer, have problems, error messages, but especially if someone else has these problems, maybe you're troubleshooting your friends and family, and you got this error message, and you know when people try to tell you and explain what happens in the computer, I know I'm a tech guy here in Montreal, and I can tell you that half of the time you don't really understand what they're saying, or you misunderstand, so you think it's something but it's something else because they didn't explain it well to you. So one thing that's extremely cool in Windows 7 is a little feature called Problem Steps Recorder. The Problem Steps Recorder is included with Windows 7. It's easy to use, and what's very nice and very cool, it records all the information, what happened, and screenshots with time and date of your problem. So how do you use it? It's quite easy. Go into your start menu at the bottom left, and in the little search box just type PSR and press enter, and there you have the Problem Steps Recorder. If you wanted to record everything, the best way to work is to go into the little arrow at the right side of the window where it says settings, and make sure that you run as administrator to make sure that it can record everything. If you don't make it as an administrator, it might not take screenshots of everything, so you might miss out on a problem. Once you're on the Problem Steps Recorder, all you have to do is simply click the Start Record button. And once you're there, you'll notice that every time you click something, suppose I go to the Device Manager, you see a little red dot appears when I click on an option. And that means I just recorded this action for you in case of. Now you're looking at what's problematic. You just open these windows, and everything you look, everything you do, if you go on the internet, for example, if I click on Internet Explorer, here's a little blue, it records what I'm doing, the pages that I visit. But keep in mind that it does not keep personal data. So if you're writing personal data, if you're in Word doing a personal document, something that's sensitive, don't worry, it doesn't record any personal information or texts that you might actually put on your computer. So don't be afraid. Normally nothing personal or sensitive will be shown to the people that you will show this video or this piece of information. Once you've done everything, and maybe you've seen that error message, it's gonna record it, it's gonna do all that is needed to record the information. You can click Stop Record, and it will immediately show up the box where it's going to ask you where do you want to save the file. So for example, I'll choose Documents, and I'll say, okay, Steps Recorder Session. And it's going to record it as a zip file automatically in your Documents folder. So you just type Save. What that means is that from now on, if you go into your Documents folder, you'll see that there's a file, a zipped file called, in my case, Steps Recorder Session. You can call it whatever you want, as long as you know where you recorded and what's the name, so that you can show it to a tech guy, for example. And you just need to show it to someone that knows what he's doing with computers and see if he can help you. So what you do is you just click on the file. Inside the file is another little file in HTML that's called Problem. It has the date and timestamp on it. You just click on it, and you'll see that it's going to show you everywhere that you went. So all that you did is screenshot recorded, and you can see it here. Everything that I did going into the Device Manager is recorded with some really cool screenshots, and at the bottom you have also all sorts of problems that have happened are in text. So here, for example, you can see that in my device manager, I had some driver problems with a few devices. And it tells you, it says here, mass storage device, recoarder properties, program, management console. It tells you that some problems are there. So it's really, really hot. If you want to show someone a session of problems, I think this is a cool little program to use. The Problem Steps Recorder. It's easy to use, and so you can email this file to someone. Maybe you don't know what's happening with your computer, it has errors, but you know someone that you can send this zipped file, for example. You can email it to your tech guy and say, look, I got this problem, I've recorded all the information. What do you think? What can you do to help? And it's really one of the basic and very nice features in Windows 7. The Problem Steps Recorder. And so if you like these videos, please click the subscribe button at the top of the screen, on the screen, and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on this video or the Steps Recorder usage or any other video, let us know. And hey, I hope you enjoy our videos, and welcome back to the official Windows 7 channel. Bye bye.